So for today, I am going to be going through what a brand kit is and where you can find it. So to start, you'll need to be on your dashboard, which is where we are now. And on your dashboard, if you look towards the top left, you should see a menu. From that menu, click Brand Kit. After you've arrived to your Brand Kit window, you should see this window appear before you, as well as all these various integrations that you can fill in or add to. So what a brand kit essentially is that it is a series of customization options that you can very rapidly apply to your booklets at great amounts at one time. So what this means is that if I were to fill in my business card, if I were to add a logo, set a language, set a theme, these are all qualities that I can bring back to my other booklets without having to go through the manual labor of, for instance, filling in each line of my business card on another booklet. I can instead add my logos on my brand kit. So when I am on my simple booklets, I can simply tap logo and my logo for my brand kit will automatically appear. In the same way, I can fill in my business card one time on my brand kit, and if I ever have the need to add my business card to my simple booklets, all I would need to do is toggle on the option for business card and my brand kit fills it out automatically. And so in general, that's what your brand kit does. Thank you for listening, everyone.